Hello, Mrs. Beth here with your instructions for today. First thing you're going to do, report your attendance, and then you're going to this photo. When you click here, it gives you instructions to complete this activity. I put the information here in case that you don't have a recorder and you need it. It's right here. When you click on this activity, it's going to take you here. You're going to complete this. And once you finish, you take the screenshot with the results, and then you submit it on the comments here. You already know, you just go here and you click right here, upload image, and then you will send me the results for your activity. That's your warm-up. That shouldn't take too long, I hope. And then, but you can ask me questions if you want. And then you are going to take your final assessment. So please pay close attention to the explanation of how you're going to complete your final assessment. You're going to start as soon as you finish your warm-up, so you use your time wisely. And let's see. First thing you're going to do, you're going to write your last name, first name. Remember, you use a capital initial for your last name, a capital initial for your first name, so you can get those 5 points. You don't do it, you don't get your 5 points. So let's just say that I already did that. And let's say that I already clicked my class. Click the correct class. Be sure that you know what your class is. If you are not sure, ask me. And then we go to the first section. The first section is about vocabulary and grammar. It says, you and your friends are sharing photographs to show what everyone does in his or her spare time. Write the activity, only the activity, represented by each picture. Type your answers in lowercase, no periods, no extra spaces. So you see what this person is doing, you're going to type right here what the person is doing. And that's it. You don't have to put me gusta, no me gusta. You don't have to add anything else. You don't have to add a period. You don't have to start with a capital. Just type what the activity is. That's it. That's what I'm required for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 first questions. Part B. It says, read the conversation below. This is a conversation. And fill in the missing pieces with words from the word bank. Here's your word bank. Type the word corresponding to the number next to the blank in the space provided in the question. This is the blank in the space, the space provided in it. This is the question. Be sure to use capital letters when needed. So in this case, you need to judge. Do I need a capital? Do I need a period? What do I need? There is only one correct answer for each question. Don't forget the special characters. So if it has special characters like this one, me, or this one, más, or también, you need to use your special characters. So what you do? You read the conversation. You see here, number 1. You think which of these words or phrases go here, and then you type it here exactly like you see here. I mean the spelling, and then but you need you think that you need a capital, you start with a capital. Think about that. We have been practicing with that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there is only one correct answer for each one of them. That's part B. Part C. Maria is a member of the Friendship Club. And this week is her responsibility to talk to the new students on campus to make them feel welcome. She is asking what they like to do. Use each picture to help you write or complete the questions and answers. Be sure to use special characters, punctuation, and capital letters when needed. Be careful with the spelling. Keep in mind the smiley or frowny face in the question to know how to answer or make a statement. So you have a smiley face here, and then in the picture 1, this is the picture 1, and you're going to ask, our tutor is asking a question. So what goes here in number 1, you put it here in number 1. What goes here in number 2, you're going to put it here in number 2. Okay? So then you complete the conversations. Here you have your picture 2, and for picture 2, you need to put 1, 2, 3, and 4 answers. Based on this, you're going to put the answers. Okay, so you have your images and you make up your your question and your answer, your question and your answer, and then you put what is missing in the blank has to go here where it says your answer. Only what is missing in the blank. You got 4 of those for this 4. Then you got picture 3. For picture 3, you have these 2 images. So you have 1 and 2. You are going to complete the answer to this question right here. Then you got picture 4. For picture 4, you had these 2, but you only had to write 1 answer. So what do you write in that answer? That's something you need to think about and type it. So I wish you luck on those. All right, now we move to the second part. For the second part is communication and culture. So it says here, listen to voicemails from students looking for a match-up to the homecoming dance. Each caller was asked to tell 2 things he or she likes to do and 1 thing he or she does not like to do. You are helping out by listening to the voicemails that were recorded in Spanish. Look at the pictures for each student's choice. Then match the picture to the information given by each caller. Check the corresponding letters in the questions. Be careful the callers do not always get the information in the same order. You will hear each set of statements twice. So what I did here is your listening. You can play your listening and then you go and look. This is the first section of pictures for Carla. So you're going to listen what Carla is saying and then you're going to check whatever Carla says is the answer. You're going to check. And I meant, okay, so it says that it's 2 likes. So you have to check 2 likes, whatever she says, and 1 dislike. So you check 1 dislike. And then you do the same with Anna. You listen, she's going to say the activity, you pick the letter for that activity, and then you check. You check 2 likes, 1 dislike. Be sure that you don't put the same like I did. So let's say that you cannot do the same like and dislike. You can like and dislike the same. Okay, same with Gabriel, and same with Nacho. So you got that. Oh, and then Andres. So you click 2 likes and 1 dislike that they say when they leave the recordings. For this one, read the following personal ad from a popular Spanish magazine, Chispas. That's the name of the magazine. Who would you like to meet? See if you can understand what each person says he or she likes and dislikes. Summarize what you find out by checking the boxes for the activities corresponding to each person's name in the questions below. The number next to their names is for the number of activities you must check. So here is the reading that now I see is very little, but I'm going to try to make it bigger. But anyway, this is the reading. 1, 2, and 3 people are talking. That's Monica, Noé, and Javier. So you're going to find what Monica says here she likes. And I put a number here for the number of boxes that you need to check. Because she says 4 things she likes. And then 3 things she doesn't like. And then Noé says 4 things that he likes. And then 1 thing would be the dislike. And then Javier says 3 things he likes and 1 that he does not like. So you check the box according to the number that you see here next to their name. For this part, you are going to write something. You're going to write it says, your Spanish class is developing a web page for students in other Spanish classes. In order for them to get to know you, include the following information about yourself. So he's giving you what you had to include, and you're going to respond in the space provided in Canvas. So let's see what that space is right here. Click on this link to type your writing part. When you go to the link, it's a photo, it's a discussion, and then you just type it here, and that's where your writing part is going to be. That's the only way I found to be able to get your answers. So that's where you're going to do it. Then the last part says, now that a group of your new friends is learning Spanish, you decide to try it on the phone. And then that's what you are going to record. Here's the instructions on how to record. And once again, you're going to the plan, and you have the option here to record, immediate recording. So you just click there and record, and it's going to be on Canvas. So all those are part of the final assessment. All are the part of the final assessment. Please don't forget to complete all the parts for the assessment today. And if you have any questions, we'll be connected, okay? I'll see you during class. Adios.